In this video, I will show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on canva.com. So the first thing I'm going to do is load up a new blank project. If you've already got one, that's fine, you're good to go. And what you want to do once you've got your project loaded through is come over to this toolbar on the left-hand side, and you want to come and click onto apps. Now, once you're in apps, what you want to do is use the search box at the top and just go ahead and type Magic Media. And when you search for Magic Media, you want to click onto the first result that's going to come up. So that's this app here called Magic Media. And once you click onto this, you're going to get a screen come up like this. Now, all you need to do is come up to the top, make sure you clicked onto images. Then what you need to do is use the text box to describe what you'd like to create. Now, for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and click Inspire Me. As you can see, it's put a prompt in a robot with a glowing visor. So you can be as specific as you want with this. What you then want to do is come down and click the styles button underneath, and you can choose the style of image that you want to use. In this example, we're just going to go ahead and I think I'm going to use the dreamy digital art filter, so this one here. What you can also do is change the aspect ratio. So if you click here where it says square, you can change this to landscape, portrait, or square. So we're going to keep that selected to square. Then what I'm going to do is come down and click the purple generate images button at the bottom. So now Canva's going to get to work. It generally just takes a few minutes to do this, but what it's going to do is generate some images based on that prompt, which was a robot with a glowing visor. So we're just going to give that a minute to go through, and as you can see, it's given us some really cool designs. So if you're happy with any of these, all you need to do is click onto which one you want to use, and that's going to add it to your project like this. If you want to generate some new images, then what you can do is come down to the bottom. You can see we've got this purple generate again option, so we can click that to generate some additional images for this. So that is a quick tutorial on how to use the Canva AI Image Generator. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.